Today, we're going to learn about when to use do and does in English. Let's get started.
Woo!
Can you say them with me? Do. Does. Do and does are used in questions and negative sentences in the present tense. Do and does. Questions. We use do with I, you, we, and they. Do I need to go? Do you like ice cream? Do we have school today? Do they play soccer? We use does with he, she, and it. Does he live here? Does she have a pet? Does it work? Do and does. Negative sentences. Do can be used in negative sentences by adding not, or we can use the contraction don't. I don't like coffee. They don't understand. Does can be used in negative form by adding not, or we use the contraction doesn't. He doesn't work here. It doesn't make sense. Practice time. Let's practice. I'll say a sentence, and you decide if it uses do or does. Ready? You want to come with us? Do you want to come with us? She know the answer? Does she know the answer? They like ice cream. Do they like ice cream? He live in a town. Does he live in a town? Review. Remember, use do with I, you, we, and they, and does with he, she, and it. Fantastic work today. You learned how to use do and does. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.